In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to transcribe a YouTube video using Otter.ai. This method is perfect for anyone looking to convert video content into text, whether it's for creating captions, note-taking, or simply extracting information from videos. We'll be using a straightforward approach, so even if you haven't done this before, you'll find it easy to follow along. First, start by opening up your web browser and navigating to a search engine. In the search bar, type in YouTube Downloader. This search will present you with various options for downloading YouTube videos. Look for a reliable site. If you're unsure which one to pick, try finding a highly rated and frequently reviewed option to ensure safety. Once you've identified a suitable downloader, click on the link to enter the site. For this example, we'll use a downloader called YT1s. Once you're on the YT1s downloader page, you should see an input box where you can paste the URL of the YouTube video you want to transcribe. Head over to YouTube, find your desired video, and copy its URL. Come back to YT1s, paste the link into the input box, and proceed to the next step by pressing Convert. After clicking Convert, you'll be directed to options for downloading the video in different formats and resolutions. Choose a format that suits your needs, but make sure it is compatible with your computer setup and file preferences. Clicking Download will save the video file to your local drive, so ensure you know the download location. Now that you've downloaded your video, the next step is to utilize Otter.ai for transcription. Go to the Otter.ai website and log in or sign up if you haven't done so already. Once you're logged in, you'll be on the main dashboard where you'll see an option to import files. Click on this option to proceed. A window will appear giving you the choice to browse files on your computer. Navigate to where your downloaded YouTube video is stored and select it. After selecting your file, Otter.ai will automatically start the transcription process. Be patient as it may take a little time to process, especially if your video is lengthy. Once the transcription is complete, you'll have a full text version of your video content accessible directly within Otter.ai. The platform provides options to edit, highlight, and share the transcription. Furthermore, it can be really helpful if you need to make quick corrections or add notes right within the transcript. Congratulations, you've successfully transcribed a YouTube video using Otter.ai. Now you can utilize the text version for any of your content creation or information gathering needs. Don't forget to explore the additional features that Otter.ai offers to enhance your overall experience. Thanks for tuning in, and happy transcribing.